What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Primestronaut here. Today's video is a big one. I'm rebuilding my entire PC from the ground up, transforming it into my dream machine, and yes, artificial intelligence helped me do all of it. If you're into tech, gaming, or PC building, you're definitely in the right place. Let's get into it. If you want to create the exact same PC build I have, I've made it super easy for you. All the parts I used are listed in the description below and on my website, primestronaut.com. That way you can build this awesome setup yourself without any guesswork, without worrying about compatibility, and without making the mistakes I made along the way. Now, let me tell you how I built my dream PC with the help of AI. What if I told you that artificial intelligence didn't just help me choose parts, but helped me completely transform my entire setup? I'm talking about taking a massive, oversized desktop tower that literally didn't even fit on my desk and rebuilding it from the ground up into a smaller, portable, cleaner, and way more powerful machine. This wasn't just an upgrade. This was a full rebuild, a full evolution, and honestly, one of the most challenging PC projects I've ever done. But with the help of ChatGPT's AI guiding me through every step, I was able to pull off something I never thought I could do. My old PC case was enormous. It sat on the floor because it simply wouldn't fit anywhere else. And the size wasn't just annoying, it made cable management harder, airflow worse, and upgrades way more complicated. I finally reached the point where I wanted something smaller, more modern, more efficient, and way easier to handle. That's when I decided to rebuild the entire system inside a Micro-ATX tower. But switching to a smaller case meant everything had to change. The first issue I ran into was the motherboard. My old board was way too large for the new case, and the layout wasn't compatible. So I asked ChatGPT for help. AI walked me through options, compatibility notes, chipset differences, everything. That's when I upgraded to the ASRock B660M Pro RS, a Micro-ATX board that fit perfectly. But replacing the motherboard opened up another issue. My old processor didn't fit the new socket, so I upgraded again to the Intel Core i9-12900K, 16 cores, up to 5.2 gigahertz, and an absolute monster for gaming, editing, and multitasking. This wasn't originally part of the plan, but AI helped me understand why it was the right move long term. Then came cooling. My old liquid cooler simply didn't fit the case. The radiator was too large, the tubing didn't line up, and it would have made the build look messy and cramped. So I upgraded to the Thermalright Aqua Elite 240 V3. Perfect size, great cooling, clean installation, and of course, I used good thermal paste, a small bead in the middle of the CPU to ensure a strong contact with the cooler. That simple step makes a massive difference in temperatures. But even after solving that problem, I ran into another. My old power supply cables were stiff and thick, and working with them in a smaller case was a nightmare. They bent poorly, blocked airflow, and made cable management almost impossible. So I upgraded again to the Corsair RM850E, the 2025 model, fully modular, silent operation. And the best feature, the cables are thin and flexible, almost like rope. That made routing everything clean and effortless. If you're building in a compact case, trust me, flexible cables matter more than you think. Before going any further, I want to emphasize one thing. Always use an anti-static bracelet when building a PC. I used a 3-pack of wrist straps to stay grounded. One static shock can destroy a CPU, motherboard, or graphics card instantly. These components are expensive, so do yourself a favor and stay grounded. Now here's where the story gets even better. Instead of letting my old parts sit around, I decided to build a second PC that I could sell. I bought a beautiful, affordable mid-size case, the Okino's Genuine Walnut Wood PC case, for under $100. It looked premium, but the price was incredible. I moved all my old components into it, cleaned everything carefully, and even replaced the liquid cooler that failed during the rebuild. That mid-tower build had its own challenges, but once again, AI helped me through the troubleshooting. If something didn't power on, I asked AI. If a cable seemed wrong, I asked AI. It guided me like a professional builder. And when I finished that PC, I sold it for over $1,000. That one sale covered the cost of all my new upgrades and basically made this dream PC build free. I also sold the giant full-size tower just to clear up space, so not only did I build my dream PC, I made a profit doing it. One huge advantage during this process was being able to reuse my graphics card. I kept my EVGA RTX 3080 Ti, still one of the most powerful GPUs you can get and definitely one of the most expensive components in any gaming PC. For the mid-size build I sold, I used a budget-friendly but capable GPU, the ASUS Dual GeForce RTX 5068 GB. Great performance for the price and perfect for selling a complete system. Now let's talk performance. My new build can handle basically everything. AAA titles at ultra settings, incredible frame rates, smooth gameplay, no problem. Monster Hunter Wilds, one of my favorite games, runs beautifully on this system. This PC absolutely crushes consoles like the PlayStation 5 or the latest Xbox, and the best part, It also handles older games perfectly. That's the magic of PC gaming: flexibility, customization, power, and the ability to upgrade on your own terms. This is why I think everyone should build their own PC at least once in their life. You learn what's inside your machine, you understand how parts work together, you can fix things yourself, upgrade whenever you want, and save a ton of money in the process. Building your own PC gives you ownership and confidence that a pre-built system never could. And with AI, the process has never been easier. Throughout this entire build, AI guided me. Every compatibility question, every wiring issue, every BIOS error, every concern about airflow or fan direction, AI answered it instantly. It never got tired, it never judged me, and it never once made me feel like my questions were dumb. It was like building a PC with an expert right next to me. This entire journey, from dismantling that giant tower to upgrading part after part to flipping my old components to finally powering on my new dream PC, has been incredible. And honestly, I couldn't have done it without the help of AI. It made the entire experience smoother, easier, and way more enjoyable. Before we wrap up, I want to hear from you. Comment down below if you've ever built your own PC, any issues you ran into, or just tell us what components your current gaming PC has. What do you recommend? What do you love? Anything PC gaming, drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear your setups and your experiences. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this build or found it helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps the channel grow and lets me keep creating more awesome tech content for you. And don't forget to check out Primestronaut.com for more cool tech reviews, PC builds, and AI-powered projects. I'll see you all in the next video.